techies and educators. Welcome back to another episode of At ITN. Today, we have an important message for all newly qualified teachers. We're diving into a topic that isn't just tech-related but touches on the real-life struggles of our hard-working educators. If you're new to the teaching profession, this story is for you. Let's talk about salary cuts and how to navigate them. Picture this: you've just started your teaching career, full of hope and energy. But soon, reality hits. An average teacher's salary often feels like it's barely enough to get by, leaving little to nothing to save. Our take-homes sometimes don't even reach the exit door of the banking hall, let alone make it home. For some, it's a struggle to the point of living paycheck to paycheck. If your salary fails to come through, you're left with two options: borrow or brace yourself for tough times. Let me share a personal story. In my first year of teaching, I faced several salary cuts for various reasons. I know the feeling all too well. You plan your budget meticulously, waiting for that payday. But when it comes, you check your payslip and see a dreaded message: no payslip for the selected month. Initially, you might think it's a network problem. But as you repeatedly get the same feedback, you're left in a state of confusion, sadness, and anger. The most embarrassing moment? Heading straight to the bank without checking your payslip, only to find your balance has barely changed. The teller's sympathetic smile says it all: something's gone wrong. Salary cuts are one of the toughest issues to solve in our profession. So, what causes this phenomenon? How can you prepare for it? Better yet, how can you avoid it altogether? And if it happens, how do you resolve it? Join the Newly Qualified Teacher (NQT) orientation group to get interactive and find answers to these critical questions. Text us on WhatsApp at 0545775477. Remember, it costs less to prepare than to repair. Let me be your mentor on this journey. I've made all the wrong moves, so you don't have to. Take this advice to heart. Learn from those who've walked this path before you. Together, we can navigate these challenges and ensure a smoother journey for all new educators. That's it for today's episode, folks. If you found this story helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to At ITN for more valuable insights. Leave your comments below if you have any experiences or questions. Stay informed, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.